Holy Christ, okay. He was like in there, yeah. Holy, oh my God. Yep, that's it. All right. You notice how this morning's gonna go. I'm not seeing much for action. I don't think there's any water moving at all. Definitely not a good tide. I'm just kind of praying for the morning bite to make up for something, but who knows? The morning bite might need a little bit of moving water, and that is something we do not have right now. There is some action on the other side of Old Reliable here. Let's see if there's any snook underneath this bridge. There usually is, but today will probably be the day I jinx myself. But I'm 3 for 3 on catching snook on this bridge the last 3 times I've come out. And there's definitely a ton of bait on the other side of there. That's a little, I think he's a little dude. He's all around the piling. I came out, there he goes. He can come off. I think he's little, and I don't think I got a very good hook set in him, and he's rubbing me all on the pilings. There he goes. All right, that's fine. All right, well, not skunked on the bridge, but not a big fish. All right, first little fish of the day. Snook ate the weighted fluke. Absolute tank, man. What a huge fish. All right, well, we caught a fish so far. Not the size we're after, but it's probably the same thing my wife said. I'm gonna retie. I actually think I'm just gonna put a non-weighted hook on here. See if we can fish a little higher while the sun's not up. I don't know what the hell that was. Something followed it out, ate it super soft. Almost felt like a needlefish, but there's not typically. Well, there's needlefish back here. That was a little snook. Oh no, that's a, what the hell? There's a little trout back here. Okay, dude. I won't find many of them back here at all. I can probably count on one hand how many trout I've caught back here. Sorry, buddy. I didn't know you were a trout. I would not have yanked you up like that. Sorry, bud. Gotta try to be careful with these dudes' slime coats. Well, there was a trout. I'm going for my all-time smallest slam. If I can catch like a 4-inch redfish, man, I'll be killing it. That was a weird eat. I was wondering what that was the first time. It was just a really, really soft eat, but yeah, there's at least one trout back here. And brother, we caught him. It's like I'm fighting that urge to be like, hey man, we got a snook, we got a trout. What if we just go back to the tarpon hole and see if we can get a tarpon? All right, that's what we're gonna do. Whatever. We got some incoming. It's coming in now. Well, guys, we didn't have to go far. I just turned my GoPro off, and there are harpoons rolling in here. That's probably what I saw earlier. It definitely sounded snooky more than it sounded like anything else. Yeah, that was a snook. Another little dude. Snook eat completely different than tarpon do. I mean, for one, snook actually get it in their mouth more than 20% of the time. Every time I come out here, I'm like, no, not today. I'm not gonna fish for tarpon. I'm not gonna make the entire day about tarpon. And then I see like one roller. And I'm like, oh, well, this is what we're doing today. Let's haul this way. There's a lot of tarpon rolling over there. I guess maybe they're going to get the bait coming through that bridge. So we get tides from 2 ways. We get tides from kind of where I was fishing at the beginning, then we get tides from over here. Oh, shit. That was a poon. Damn it, man. One tried to eat it there too. I need to switch to the other hook, I think. I need to put one more cast over here. I think for the tarpon fishing, I need a little bit wider gap. And that weighted hook keeps it down under the water a little bit. I switched. I don't know what this is. It is a tank. I was in the middle of switching baits, and what is this? Oh, it's a red. Sick. Okay. I put like an underspin on what I was throwing. Dang it. Whew. Nice. It's decent too. Let me try to get some of this stuff out of my freaking way. Here. I'll show you guys what I put on in a sec. Let me get this dude landed. Alright. God, man. They are way too strong. So I threw on a BKK hook with an underspin, and then I threw on like a straight tail. I think it's by Mirror. I didn't have super high hopes for the day, but there's a slam. Caught a redfish. I mean, it's not a particularly big slam. This dude was only 22 and a half, but they just have unending energy. I go to put him back and he's just like, I'm ready, brother. Here, this is what I was throwing. So a weighted BKK hook with some like Mirror fluke looking thing, and then an underspin on it. So 28. Figured I'd try something different since the tarpon don't want anything that I'm throwing anyway. Those redfish are so strong, man. I feel like I have a huge fish on there and it's like, no, I'm just a 22-inch red. Now all I need to do is land one tarpon. One little tarpon. And I got a grand slam. There's the guy. He just popped off. Damn it, no, dude. Shit. Oh, God, I thought about it pinned so good. Dang it, man. I got something to delete, which is a good thing. So that's half the battle. Let's see if we can find another one. I casted that right on a roller and he just ate it, jumped. That was cool. All right, we're pulling up in the poon hole. We got mullet jumping. I saw 1, 2, just saw another roller. We need a tarpon. God dang it, we need a tarpon, man. Jumped that one, decent one. He's probably like 25, 30 inches maybe. He was a good fish. Thought I had a pinned. He came off underwater, which is tough. At least if they jump, I'm like, oh, he jumped. I lost him like that, but. Tarpon. God dang tarpon. Where? Holy Christ, okay. Had to be probably a decent snook eat, I guess. But he was like in there, yeah. Holy, oh my God. Let me back up here. Let me get like readjusted. Yep. Oh, it was a poon. Oh. I thought that was a snook, man. I thought it was a snook. I was playing it like it was a snook. I had my line tight when he jumped. All right, guys. That'll probably do it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely disappointed not getting this tarpon. That sucked. I really thought I had a good shot at the Grand Slam, and I did have shots. I missed, I think, 2 fish. The second one I know I misplayed. The first one, I mean, it's tarpon fishing, but that just sucks. I will say, I was throwing everything else in my tackle box, and I brought a lot of tackle today. And the one thing that really showed out was this tarpon just rolled right in front of me. God, I hate these fish. Let me actually see what the hell this thing's called before I tell you. So this is the Mirror Provoker. So this is what I caught the redfish on and jumped the tarpon on. It's a good bait, man. I mean, it's really lifelike as far as like a plastic goes. It has little eye imprints, scales on it. It looks awesome. It's very flukish, but it's a little bit heavier duty, and I like that, so it won't get beat up as much. Yeah, just unfortunate we didn't get those poons, but as far as getting a new plastic and trying one that I haven't tried before, that provoker is sick. So
definitely gonna fish with that some more. I'll probably be out a little bit later this week and see if I can go for a grand slam again, but dude, today was such a good shot at it. And I just biffed it, man. God, tarpon, man. Freaking tarpon. All right, guys, so that might be the end of the video. I'm gonna work my way back in. If I see a bunch of rollers, I'll cast a little bit more, but I mean, not a big snook, not a particularly big trout either, but a decent little redfish, put up a good fight, and then this tarpon burr. It would have been good to land. It would have been good little backwater pins, but what can you do, man?